Have you ever wondered why some women have men absolutely pining for them, hanging on to their every word, while others struggle to keep his interest beyond the first few dates? We're diving deep into the art of making him crave your presence, so you can ignite an unshakable desire and forge an emotional connection that lasts. Learn how to become the woman he misses incessantly without playing games, losing your dignity, or pretending to be someone you're not. We're Antia and Brody Boyd with Magnetize Your Man, and after helping thousands of successful women all over the world to get a loving, long-term, and committed relationship with a man they want for over 20 years combined, here's what we've seen. 1. Give him space to do his own thing or have some guy time. Giving him space to pursue his own interests or enjoy some time out with the guys plays a crucial role in how much he'll miss you. It might seem counterintuitive, but the saying, absence makes the heart grow fonder, holds a lot of truth. By encouraging him to maintain his own hobbies and friendships, you're not only showing that you trust and respect his independence, but you're also giving him the opportunity to truly feel your absence. This doesn't mean you're pushing him away. Rather, you're creating a healthy balance between togetherness and personal space, which is essential for any relationship to thrive. When you're not always available, it makes the time you do spend together even more special, and he'll find himself missing those moments with you. Remember, it's about quality, not quantity. 2. Go out with the ladies from time to time. Stepping out with your girlfriends plays a pivotal role in maintaining your individuality and ensuring a healthy balance in your relationship. It's about embracing those moments apart to fully appreciate the time you spend together. When you enjoy your own life, you're not just giving him space, you're also nurturing your own soul, which makes you even more attractive. It shows him that you're a complete person on your own, confident and happy in your skin. This independence is key to keeping the spark alive. Every time you share stories of your adventures without him, it leaves a little space for curiosity and longing, making him anticipate your next meeting even more. Remember, a relationship where both partners maintain active social lives outside of each other not only keeps the relationship fresh, but also encourages a deeper appreciation for the moments shared together. 3. While you are apart, flirt with each other via text or voice messages. Keeping the spark alive while we're apart is crucial, and one way to do that is by flirting through text or voice messages. It's about reminding each other that the attraction and affection are still very much there, even when we can't physically be together. Flirting keeps the relationship exciting and anticipatory, paving the way for a passionate reunion. Whether it's a cheeky text in the middle of the day or a sultry voice message at night, these small gestures play a significant role in maintaining the intimacy between us. It reminds us of the fun, playful aspects of our relationship, making sure that we always have something to look forward to. And believe me, the anticipation of seeing each other again becomes all the more thrilling with every flirtatious exchange. 4. Send him sexy pics. Sending him sexy pictures is a powerful way to keep the flame of desire burning, especially when you are not together. It's a tantalizing reminder of your physical connection that plays to his visual nature, sparking his imagination, and undoubtedly making him miss you even more. This approach keeps things spicy and fun, ensuring that the physical attraction between you stays alive, regardless of the distance. It's about creating a private world of intimate sharing that adds an exciting layer to your relationship. This action sends a clear message. You're confident in your skin and in your relationship, and you trust him with this intimate exchange. But remember, always respect your comfort level and boundaries when engaging in this form of communication. 5. Tell him the things you want him to do to you when you see each other again. Creating a sense of anticipation and excitement for when we next see each other can intensify the longing and desire in our relationship. By openly sharing my thoughts and desires about what I want us to do together when we reunite, it not only stokes the flames of desire, but also deepens our emotional connection. This approach goes beyond mere physical longing. It invites him into my inner world, revealing my desires and fantasies, which in turn makes him miss being with me even more. It's about building a tantalizing narrative of what's to come, making the wait not just bearable, but thrilling. This dialogue fosters an interactive playground for our imaginations, encouraging a playful and sexually charged exchange that keeps our connection vibrant and alive, ensuring he's counting down the moments until we're back in each other's arms. 6. Have phone video call sex. Incorporating phone or video call sex into our dynamic is a thrilling way to maintain and even amplify our intimate connection when we're apart. It's about harnessing our desires and channeling them into a shared experience that bridges the physical distance between us. This approach allows us to explore and express our sexuality in creative yet deeply personal ways. It's an intimate exchange that transcends the ordinary, pushing boundaries and deepening our connection. Engaging in this type of interaction requires trust and vulnerability, which, when offered, significantly strengthens our relationship. It highlights our willingness to keep the spark alive, regardless of the miles separating us, ensuring that he's not just missing me, but also eagerly anticipating the physical manifestation of our conversations. This method isn't just about immediate gratification. It's a profound reminder of our emotional and sexual intimacy, making the distance seem inconsequential and the longing more intense. 7. Make sure there is a time set to meet again. Setting a specific time to meet again is crucial in keeping the momentum of our relationship. This approach not only gives us something to look forward to, but also reinforces the sense of commitment to each other. It's a physical manifestation of our desire to be together and serves as a beacon during times when the distance feels too vast. Knowing exactly when we will next see each other transforms the abstract longing into a concrete timeline, making the wait seem more manageable. This anticipation builds a delicious sense of excitement and longing as we count down the days until we can once again share the same space. It's about creating a future moment of reconnection that fuels our present desire, ensuring he feels a continuous draw towards me, amplified by the certainty of our impending reunion. 8. Embrace your sexuality and be openly expressive. Embracing my sexuality and being openly expressive has been a transformative aspect of how we connect on a deeper, more intimate level. It's about accepting and owning my desires, sharing them confidently with him, which in turn enriches our sexual connection and overall intimacy. This isn't just about the physical act of sex. It's about fostering an environment where we both feel safe to explore, express, and fulfill our desires without judgment. By being sexually open and expressive, I signal to him that I value our connection and am invested in nurturing our passion. This openness invites him to engage fully, creating a mutually satisfying and dynamic relationship that makes him miss and crave that unique connection we share whenever we're apart. In conclusion, making him miss you is about creating a balanced blend of distance and intimacy, independence, and togetherness. It's recognizing that a healthy relationship flourishes when both partners feel cherished for who they are and supported in their individualities, as well as their union. Moving forward, continue to infuse your relationship with actions and gestures that resonate with both of your desires and boundaries. Remember, the ultimate goal is not just to make him miss you, but to build a strong, mutually satisfying connection that naturally compels you both to yearn for each other's presence, fostering a love that is both passionate and enduring. Thanks for watching.